Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this wig. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So as you can see, I already opened the box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what this wig looks like. So this is inside the box. I went ahead and took out the wig. Let me just show you the different contents that are inside of the box. So you do get some little natural lashes. Very, very nice lightweight lashes. You get a user manual for your wig. So it gives you care instructions like how to wash your wig, how to properly apply your wig, and then also all the products, everything that is included inside of your box. Gives you a little bit more information on the wig. Breathable, soft, human hair. You also get a premium wig cap. Went ahead and took it out. As you can see, it is like a weft style wig cap. And then here is the wig. As you can see, it does have a little net to prevent it from getting tangled along the way. So let me go ahead and remove that. This is a 16-inch wig. Before I try on the wig, I want to go ahead and show you the inside. As you can see, it does have these clips right here. It also has these hooks. So you could go ahead and adjust the wig. You could go ahead and hook these on here. This is going to go ahead and give you that tighter fit on the wig. So you could see the netting. It is like a lace. This is in the front of the wig. Very, very nice breathable material. And it does have these clips also along the front to make sure and you secure your wig nice and tight. This wig does have a bang, so let's go ahead and brush it out and then we're gonna go ahead and try it on. All right, as you can see, I have the wig on. The great thing about this wig is that you could actually add light heat to it. It is actually very lightweight. Take a look. Super, super nice, soft wig. I have my wand on here, so I wanna go ahead and just use it on this hair and see. Look at that. It curls naturally like your own hair. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around. Super nice. The hair is nice and fine, soft hair. And again, this is a 16-inch style wig. This wig is available in a variety of colors. You can brush this wig out, you could cut it, you could style it. Look at that. Overall, if you're looking for a 16-inch wig that you could go ahead and style, it is nice, lightweight, and you could go ahead and get it in a variety of colors. I would definitely recommend.